Alright, so this is my review. I have it mounted. I had a friend of mine who's an electrician come out and put it in for me. It was a pretty standard job, he said. This is the remote control. It's got a couple of different options. I mainly focus on the fan speeds, and it's very quiet. I'll turn it on 1 so you can hear that, and then I'll turn it all the way to 6 so you can hear the difference. And it does take a minute to speed up and slow down. So that's 1, which is putting out a pretty decent breeze, actually. I usually leave it on 1 during the day if I need it, and then 6, I put it on at night. It really kicks a lot of air for what it is, and it's very quiet. Here's it speeding up. So that's on 6. And that was how loud it is right underneath of it, but for the room it's pretty quiet. I'm going to put it back on 1. And right now it's on its dimmest setting without the inner light on, so this is it on dim, and I'll turn it all the way up. I also have it on the yellowish, like the warmer tone, because I don't like the other one because it's kind of like a doctor's office blue. Very sterile feeling, so I'll show you what that looks like. That's like, I think as bright blue as it goes right there, but it's a very white, clean, crisp color. Again, I like the warmer tones, and I can adjust that with the color on this side and brightness on this side. So all the way back to the warm setting, and I usually keep it kind of low on the brightness too, just out of the box, because it's actually pretty bright. It was lighting up my room really well. And it also has this bonus light on the inside, which is cool, and it's a pretty feature. You can actually turn off the main ring if you want and just have that one on, though that one is not bright adjustable, I don't think. Yeah, no, it's not. But it also has the blue light, which is cool, and sometimes I turn it on, but I just recently turned it on and realized my room is very reactive with one of my posters to it, so it's almost like having a black light. It's pretty cool. And here it is on the 3rd color, which is purple. And again, the whole room just kind of, it gives it a nice warm tone. That's my dog. The poster's still a little reactive, but not as much as the blue. So that's it, totally on with the ring and everything. This is pretty standard, and it has the wall mount, which I haven't done yet. Yeah, sorry it's a long video, but I hope it helped.
So here's a brief overview of this fan. So see, the fan is connected, it's already installed. Here's your remote. You also have the app, which I haven't downloaded and used yet, but I'll take you through just some of the functions of the ceiling fan with the remote. So you have the outside LED ring. So here on top left, you have a button on off. This is the light, and there you go. You hit it 1 time. This is what you get. Turn it off. You can hit the button on the right under it with the K in the circle, and that just gives you the different temperature settings of the outside LED ring. Then you have your inside light. So the light button here, the light bulb button, press it. Now you get the, looks like a flower on the inside, and you can turn it on and turn it off, and you get the different light settings for that as well. Then for your fan, so you have your buttons 1 through 6 that you can turn around and you can hit. So we will turn it on 1, and it's very quiet, has good airflow. Then I just go to 6. Has a little bit of noise to it, but to me that's like a soothing noise, and really, really strong airflow that comes through. As you can see, no vibrations to it whatsoever. You have your your different settings. You got your forward to reverse, so you can just hit that button and it will reverse. And in wintertime, you have it going in the opposite direction to bring the heat down from the ceiling. You also have your timer settings, your 2-hour settings. As you see, you can try to get it. You have your other controls here. If you want to just turn the light on and off, you hit the button on the top left, but to turn everything off, hit the top right, and it shuts everything down. You turn your light on, you have a nighttime mode. Hit it, and it dims your light for the nighttime. So, all in all, so far, fan installs pretty easy. Love it. Might get a few more of these. My daughter wants one for her bedroom, so definitely will get another one of these.
Okay. Light on, fan on. You can control the speed of the fan. This is the wind effect. Then this is the, I think it's the, yeah, fan light on off. This is the night light. Okay. This, don't remember what it does. This is controlling the warmth. So we have yellow light, more white light, brightness, and then we have all on, light on, right, light off, all on, all off, fan, and this is the forward fan for the summertime, so it blows down on you. This is reverse fan, so it kind of sucks the air up towards the ceiling, this one. overall, we're pretty happy with it. Yeah, it's pretty good.
This video is with the fan off. Now we're going to do setting number 1, and you'll hear the fan. Not bad. You could easily sleep through number 1. Number 2, also not bad. Number 3. Number 4. Now it's starting to get a little loud. Number 5. And number 6. Definitely moving air in the room. And we're going back to off. Okay. And I will, I have a decimal meter. I will take decibels and report that in the text. Thank you.
Okay, so I just wanted to send a video for my review. So far, so good. We've got the night lights here. We'll cut this one off. And then when you got the night lights there, you got a couple of different, let's see, there we go. We've got one night light setting like this. And then, let's see, then we've got the purple, we've got the blue, we've got the purple. And then we've got the regular, and we can cut the other one off. Okay, so you got all those functions, and we're going to start low. So this is on 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. So it looks great. It works great. And I'm very happy.
So I just got my new ceiling fan hooked up. It comes with this remote. It's very fancy looking and modern. I'll show you how it works. Very bright. The fan has different numbers for the speed. It even has this little light inside. You could change colors and you could turn this one off. It's really pretty and quiet too.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. Everything else is working on it.
It's like changing colors.
So there's two versions of me. There's the guy who wants that big, bright smile, and there's the guy that doesn't want to work too hard to keep it. So I'm cruising down the store aisle, and I spot this. Luminal whitening strips.
Like pure distilled horror. Honestly, girl, think about it. You're alone in the universe. The only other living thing.
Or, I guess the bulb is missing. I can see the bulb in here.
Pero mi familia, maestro, mi familia, ¿dónde está? Está en mi casa. Tengo entendido que sí, pero no salgan. Si tienen armas, salgan.
No.